Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Halimat Sadia and my partner Hana Silviana.
We will interview about the culture and free promiscuity.
Okay, the first question is why can there be cultural diversity in Indonesia?
Cultural diversity in Indonesian society is caused by the many ethnic groups in territory of Indonesia, with each tribal having its own language and culture. Every island in Indonesia has its origin tribe, and large east islands such as Kalimantan and Papua have dozens of the tribes living there. And what causes cultural diversity is also the climate in Indonesia. Different climate conditions also contribute to the diversity of ethnic group and culture in Indonesia. For people living in the western part of Indonesia, it is certainly different from those living in the eastern part. The rainy season in western Indonesia is more regular.
The second question is what are the positive effects of cultural diversity in Indonesia?
The positive impact of cultural diversity is to build a tolerant society. The cultural diversity of each region is certainly different because they are under one roof, namely the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. The community has an obligation to maintain unity and integrity whether they like it or not.
The third question is what are the consequences if we do not preserve Indonesian culture?
Indonesia culture will become extinct. Our children and grandchildren will not know their own culture because their culture is already extinct, causing foreign countries to limit our countries to be preserved.
The fourth question is what is your attitude towards culture differences in Indonesia?
Attitude towards difference in culture and custom into respect difference and culture respect one another carry out the development of primordial attitudes and coefficient.
Okay, Hana Silviana, in the last question, what does the national culture reflect?
National culture, the reference noble values of the nation continues to be mentioned, fostered, and developed by streamings, the application and practice of Pancasila, improving the quality of life, strengthening national identity and personality, strengthening the sense of self-esteem, the national pride, strengthening the spirit of unity. What do you think about the promiscuity?
Okay, I wanna answer the first question from Hannah. The answer is promiscuity or juvenile delinquents cannot be separated from their relationship with their parents. In addition, the influence of the circle of friends is also a very decisive factor. Surely, we have often heard complaint about how difficult it is to find a solution to the problem. These complaints do not only come from other people, but also from parents themselves, who in this case should be the close people to children who understand their condition and can guide them not to fall into promiscuity.
What are the negative effects of promiscuity?
Okay, the second answer is pregnant out of wedlock and venereal disease. Disgraced achievement in school, branded ugly by society.
What are the causes of promiscuity?
Okay, the third answer is the first minimum level of family education. The second is broken home. The third is family economy. The fourth is environmental condition. And the last is internet abuse.
Do parents play a role in the interaction of their children?
Okay, I wanna ask the four question. The answer is the role of parents is very much needed in the supervision of the child. Children are direct product of parents and not direct product of education or school. The responsibility for raising children rests with the parents. So it's necessary to interpret the family as a place where someone grows and develops into an individual with personality and character. Family life and the way parents raise children in the family will have a direct impact on the child's development.
Can promiscuity affect the student learning process?
I wanna ask the last question. The answer is in the academic field, promiscuity can clearly reduce learning achievement because promiscuity is more dominated by activities for things that are not related to learning activities or increasing knowledge, so that the time of teenagers is filled with useless things.